What's good, YouTube? This your boy Dion with Quality Custom Designs, back with another video. And in this video we will be doing an emoji on a hat. I know I started a little late. That's because I was having some technical difficulties, especially with my camera and the machine. So I wanted to see if it was going to run, so I did start it up a little bit late. So I'll try to put a couple of the materials that I used in the video later on. I'll probably just have them, like I said, in the video somewhere. It's going to be like a small description of everything that I used to get it started up. So hopefully you guys enjoy the video. Stay tuned, and I will be doing a giveaway with these emoji hats. So let me know if you guys are interested. And also, all you have to do is 3 things, which is 1, subscribe to the channel, 2, like the video, and 3, comment done at the end of this video, and I will pick a winner and we'll go from there, guys. So definitely stay tuned to the video. So I was gonna ask y'all, let me know what y'all think the emoji will be, but obviously you guys could probably tell what it's gonna be. So I am doing the emoji with the heart eyes. So I got plenty more though, so definitely stay tuned for that. I definitely got plenty more. And also I just want to levy on me, like, not posting as much. I have been busy. working a second job, and I was kind of under the weather, so I haven't been responding to a lot of text messages and stuff like that. I've just been sleeping a lot, I'm not gonna lie. I've been tired and sleeping a lot, so I'm just trying to get back into the groove of everything now. So you know, look out for these videos. Like I said, I do have the giveaway coming up, so you know, like I said, just stay in tune with the channel. And once again, as always, thank you guys for the support. I love all of y'all, so thank y'all for the support. Definitely stay tuned to the video. Real quick, guys, in the comment section, let me know right now, what is your favorite emoji? What emoji do you use approximately every time you text or send a message to anybody? What is your favorite emoji that you use 24/7, 365, and 366 if it's a leap year, man? Go ahead and put that down in the comment section. Let me know, guys. I'm just wondering, man, what do you use? Go ahead and put it down in the comment section. Alrighty, so we are all finished up here. I know you probably get seeing these little small parts. Personally, I don't know how it got there. Second of all, I'm trying to figure out this too. I think it's in the software that the heart might have shifted over and I didn't pay attention to it. So I'm gonna definitely go into the software and check it out. So let me take everything out of the hoop and show you guys the final results. Stay tuned. Alright, so let me try to get this out. Perfect. this out as well. Well, let me go ahead and start ripping this part off. And this is just a water soluble stabilizer. So if you really just wanted to take these little small pieces off, you'll just spray it with something as far as like a small water bottle or something in that sense. So let me take the inside hoop out. And I am using a cutaway stabilizer instead of a tearaway stabilizer. And I'm just gonna cut the excess off without cutting the hat. All right. So flip it back. And here's the final result. So let me know what you guys think. So let me know what you guys think. Like I said, this is the final result. I don't know where this came from. Like some glitter or something. I don't know. It's weird. But yeah, other than this part right here shifting, like I said, I don't know why. I will go into the software and check it out to see the reason why it shifted like that. But other than that, all of these small parts, like I said, you just spray them with some water, and yeah, those will come off. So no big issue. So if you're still here watching the video, do me a huge favor, guys, and go ahead and hit those notifications, subscribe to the channel, as well as thumbs up the video. And as always, stay blessed, guys, and continue to strive for greatness. And I am out.